a number of years ago, I came across a children's book called The Carp in the Bathtub. I think the author is a Barbara Cohen. And I had to buy it for my children because we used to have a carp in the bathtub because my father would not eat fish unless he saw it alive. Now, how in the world my mother ever brought home this big fish from the market, I never knew, but we'd come home from school and there would be a carp in the bathtub. And they were kind of mean, the carp. I mean, we only had one at a time. And then after he had seen it in the bathtub, then she would take care of it and fix it. And so anyway, I thought we were kind of peculiar, but apparently other people had carp in the bathtub.